Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you another order of the Washi Tape Shop. So this first one is called Fiery Dream Wide Washi. This next one here is the Twilight Zone Wide Washi, Bloom and Vogue Wide Washi, this one was a different one that I chose. Harriet's Whispers Wide Washi. This is so cute. This one is called Forest Houses Wide Washi. And this is a beautiful Frost Bloom Wide Washi. This one is First Encounter Wide Washi. And then the two sets that I got, and these were about $24 for these sets. Delicate Floral Wreaths Washi Tape. And then the last but not least, maybe my favorite one, the one I was looking forward to the most, this really cute Baking Gardening Embroidery set of 3 washes. So I realize now that every time you order, you get this coupon for 15% off your next order, which is great. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in ordering from the Washi Tape Shop. And I wanted to show you today a really awesome way that I have discovered to basically store and use washi tape. I recently purchased these IKEA SCADIS pegboards, and they are fantastic for storing washi, and I'm going to show you what I mean. So I've got these little elastic bands, and they're really inexpensive to purchase. These bands, I think you get 3, it's for less than $5 or for $5. Anyways, what you do is you put each of these washi, so I'm doing the Christmas ones that I got last time. You put each of these washis on the elastic bands. Like this. And then you just take them and hang them up. So they're like this. And they're perfect because you can just pull them out and use them, the ones that you want, especially these ones because they peel right off. They're really great. And I'll just show you how I've been using these so far. I absolutely love this design idea. So I've got my Hobonichi weeks planner here, and I use the left side for functional planning, and then the right side I've made a to-do list. And what I did is I took one single strip of washi and I cut it where the line seemed to break, where there were some smaller images on the other side, and I put half and half split, and then I've been writing my to-do list, so it'll look nicer once it's all filled out. There's writing between the whole thing, and then I even use some of the other little decorative pieces on there, but I really like that effect. I also have been putting my Erin Condrenn together, my productivity planner, and here's the design that I came up with this. It really was just experimenting with putting a single solid strip down the right hand side and then trying to create like a little bit of a scene here on this side. But I'm really loving these washi tapes. They're just so pretty and simple to work with. And I'm so excited to have some more washi tape to try out. I've also started planning some of my upcoming weeks with some of these winter washis, just sticking some down decorative at the bottom of my notes page so that it adds a little bit of interest to the page. So thank you for watching this video. I will film a separate video showcasing all of the different washies closer up, opening up each one and taking a look at the designs of each. But I thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again next time.